Hello, I am excited to do a demo about setting up MFA forwarding in Gmail. At ReFocus AI, we need the MFA code to go to the carrier websites and get the codes for our remarketing product. The carrier websites send MFA code via different channels, including email, SMS, and authenticator apps. When you are using agency shared credentials on ReFocus AI, you have to forward the MFA code that the carrier websites send you. In this demo, I am going to show how to configure that. This demo is specifically for Gmail. So I have set up 3 made-up emails to demonstrate the flow. The first one here is the insurance carrier MFA, so representing the carrier website. The second one is insurance agency MFA at gmail.com, which is representing you. The third one is demo at refocusai.com, which represents us. So you log in into the email which receives the MFA code from the carrier websites. Then over here at the top right, where I'm hovering the mouse, you see a gear icon. Hit the gear icon which says settings. In this right navigation bar, you see all settings. Click see all settings. Next, on the settings page, right in the middle here at the top, it says forwarding and pop/IMAP. Click that. In the middle, you'll see add a forwarding address gray box. Click that. In here, you have to enter the email address to which the MFA code has to be sent. This is the email address that is assigned to you as an agency in our system. It is unique to your agency. The typical format is agency name -MFA at refocusai.com. You can find this email address on our web portal. Go to the web portal, log in. On the left navigation bar, you see a menu item that says settings. Click that. Then in the main window, you will see a carrier section. Click that. On the carrier's configuration page, you'll see a search bar. Type in the carrier name, for example, Allstate. Select that. On that Allstate configuration page, in the middle, in the center of the page, you will see MFA forwarding section, where you will see this email address. Our customer success can also share that email address with you. For this demo, I am gonna enter the made-up email address that I created, which is demo@refocusai.com, and I hit next button. Gmail shows a pop-up. It wants to verify that it's you who has requested this. Hit the get code button. They will send a code to your phone. I am looking at my phone. I got the code. I'm entering the code here, 642592. Hit next button here. It will tell you that if you want to forward the email to demo@refocusai.com, you hit the button proceed. You get a confirmation that says, hey, a link has been sent to demo@refocusai.com to verify permission. Hit OK. At this point, you have to wait for us to confirm and give you permission to forward emails. So we get a request from Gmail. As you can see on our end, someone will click this link, which tells us, hey, this insurance agency wants to forward emails to you. Do you want to approve it? So we just have to click this email here, and this is happening on our side, and we confirm. At this point, the handshake is complete. Now, on your email, just refresh, and it is set up. That email forwarding, that email is now connected on your side. The next step is to create filters. Filters tell Gmail about the email addresses of carrier websites and email address on our side. We will give you a file that contains all the filters for all the carriers. When you get the file, save it on your machine, and on this page, you see the import filters link here in the middle of the page. Hit that import filters link, then you see an import filtered section here, and you'll see a choose file button. Just click that button, and then it opens up a window where you can select the file. So the file that we give you, select that file. It looks like this, mailfilters.xml. Here I created a sample file. I select the mailfilters XML file. I hit the open button. Now it shows that it has pulled up this file. The next thing I do is click open file button right in the middle of this page here. I click open file. As you can see, it automatically imported all the filters. It tells us that there are 3 filters. For the first filter, it says any email coming from this insurance carrier mfa@gmail.com email, forward it to demo@refocusai.com. Similarly, the second one is for National General, NatGen. The third one is for travelers. The next thing you do is hit this create filters button right here in the middle. You will see, and it says, hey, it wants to verify it's you who's requesting it. Hit the continue button. Again, as you saw earlier, you'll see a pop-up that says, hey, it wants to verify. So hit the get code button. It sends you a code to your phone number that is associated with your email address. I got the code on my phone. I'm entering it, 572090, and I hit next. Now it has created the filters. So at this point, you are done. The configuration to set MFA forwarding automatically is done. At this point, you are done. You're good to go. Just to show that the end-to-end flow works, I will do a test here, but you don't have to do anything. So I go to the insurance carrier MFA email, which is the email from which the insurance carriers will send email. compose an email. I'll send it to insurance agency MFA that I created for demo. Test MFA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the code I am going to send as a test. I hit the send button here. The message has been sent. Now I go to the insurance agency MFA email. Lo and behold, you see the test MFA code come through that was sent from this carrier email. Let us go on our side, and we got the MFA code as well. Thank you very much. That concludes the demo for you on how to set up the MFA forwarding automatically. Thank you.